students. Hope you all of you fit and healthy at your home and your last chapter is going on. I hope all of you done your work. First two question I am completed now in my previous class. So those students, if you are not done their work, then they can see my previous video and complete your work properly. Okay. And today we will do the remaining questions from this chapter. And today your course is completed now from my side. So beta, all of you ready for your revision in next class. Okay. Maybe your exam will be held in first week of March. So very less time you have. So be attentive beta for your studies, and your annual exam will be held online mode. Last time all exams are done, same pattern will be follow in annual exam. Your questions are MCQ based, all things I am discussed with you. Today first we will complete the syllabus. Only question answer are left from this chapter. So today we will do now. So let's start it, students. Today's class is, this class is your, tell me, SST class. This is your SST class and the date is today. The date is 18th Feb 2021. The chapter going on, chapter 27. The chapter name is Our National Symbols. Our national symbols. This is your last chapter beta. National symbols. Okay. According to your book, your topic is going on. Answer the following question. Question number 1 is done and question number 2 is also done. Today we will do the question number 3. So everyone write down this question from your book. The question is, who wrote our national anthem? National anthem. First part this, then second part is, on what occasions is the national anthem sung? National anthem sung. This is your question. First, all of you, right now your heading is answered. Then right now, who wrote our national anthem? The great poet, tell me. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. This part is done. First part is done. Who wrote our national anthem? This first part is done. After that, this question, on what occasions is the national anthem sung? So right now everyone, it is sung. It is sung during the national during the national festivals, national festivals, national festivals, and at important functions. And every day in the morning school assembly, all of you sung this national anthem also. Okay. Then student, move to the next question. I hope all of you done this question. Question number 4 is from your book. Question number 4. The question number 4 is, this is very important question. From where has the national amble has taken what is written on it. This is second part, and the third part is, where do you see it? It means in this question the three parts are. In this question, students, there are three parts. First part is, from where has the national amble been taken? This part is first part. Then after that, what is written on it? Third part is, where do you see it? One by one, we are doing now the answer. First part, the national amble, the national amble has been taken from, tell me anyone, has been taken from the upper part of the Ashoka pillar, Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. Tell me anyone, where is the Sarnath? Sarnath is situated in your city Varanasi. Okay, this part, first part is done. Then after that, second part, what is written on it? Tell me anyone, what is written on it? Satyameva Jayate. What is written on it? Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate is written on it. It's a second part is done. Okay, the last question is, where do you see it? Where do you see it? It means, where do you see it? This word, where do you see it? The question is asking about this word. So right now everyone, it is written it is written at the bottom. Okay, it is written on the bottom. This question is completed now. Question number 4. I hope all of you students done now this exercise in your book. Look at here. I am post this exercise video is also. This exercise is done now in your book also. After that, all of you completed now this extra sentence in your book. This also done. This question answer is also done. All things are done. Then activity, E-activity is done. And this national flag is color it. Okay. I hope all things are done now. Okay. And it means your course is completed. If this chapter is completed, it means your course is completed. All of you draw now any two national symbol in your copy. Here is the picture. In this picture, any two, that is your own choice. All of you draw it in your SS3 copy and color it. Okay, beta? Here is the picture of our national symbol. Here is the picture of national bird. This is the peacock. The national animal, this is a tiger. This is the picture of our national flower, lotus. Any two pictures you draw in your SS3 copy. When you are completing this question answer, after that, all of you draw now these two things. In next class, beta, we will do the revision for all chapters. I think 4 chapters are coming in your annual examination. Chapter 17, agriculture. Chapter 18, industries. Then 25 number chapter is, the name of the chapter 25 is our goals, rights and duties. And the last chapter is 27. This is our national symbols. Okay, these all chapters we will do the next class, and some questions that are based on that chapters in revision work. Okay, beta? And your annual exam is MCQS based paper, and the annual exam is a 90 marks for 90 minutes, and the maximum question is 50. Okay, so be careful for your exam, be attentive for your studies. We will meet now in next class with revision work. Till then, have a nice day, beta. Goodbye.